Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again.
So the first thing is how to install the Turtle Python library on Windows. So Turtle is a Python library to create games, images, graphic, pictures. Okay, so we will install the Turtle library here. To install any Python library or package, you need what? Pip. So herein we will install both Python and pip first. Then we will install the Turtle library. So let's begin. I'm using Chrome. You can use any browser here and type Python and then press enter. Here is the official website. Click on python.org. So we have reached the official website python.org. So now you can see, keep the mouse cursor on the downloads and you can see the official version for the Windows 3.107 is visible. Direct click on here to download window. It will be download. It is only the installer file. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. Now the setup starter here, and at first remember to set the path, that is select the checkbox add python 3.10 to path. Now to customize the installation so that we can understand what we are actually installing. On customizing, keep the default as optional features here, and we will also install pip. Pip is used to install and manage Python package, so it will be useful for you in the future to install any Python library or package. So it will also install the IDLE. IDLE is an IDE to run Python programs. We will run later. Keep the default and click on it. Here end user advanced option, click on install for the all the user. Now selecting, you can see it will set the path for the installation. You can change the location from here, the path location from here, but keep it as it is. Okay, it will also set your Python to environment variables and add Python to environment variables. Click on install now. Now the setup started. So guys, we have successfully installed Python. It is written setup was successfully. Click on close. So guys, we have successfully installed Python in pip. Let's verify. Go to start, type cmd, click on open to open the command prompt. Here in the type Python space hyphen version and press enter. Here it is. We have successfully installed it. Now type pip space hyphen version and press enter. This will show the current pip version also. Now guys, let us install the Turtle library. So type pip space install the name of the library Python Turtle and press enter. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily install the purple package library on Windows Python. Thank you for watching.